We divide 393 by 2 in long division method. So 2 times 1 means 2. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 2. So we put down the number beside this 9. So it is 19 and 2 times 9 means 18. On subtracting it is 1. So we again put down the number beside this 3. So it is 13 and 2 times 6 means 12. On subtracting it is 1. So this 1 is less than 2 and there is no other number beside. So we put decimal so that we take zev. So it is 10 and 2 times 5 means 10. On subtracting we get zev. So 393 divided by 2 is 196 decimal 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.